Good morning, viewers. You're welcome on the program. I am Ego Ngoka. Yes, sir, I've been bringing you reports on the lockdown, especially my people, Igbos, their views concerning the stay-at-home order. Today on the show is Chief Solomon Obona, the president of Ohaneze Igbo, Agwene, the game changer as popularly called by Igbo people. And also we met with Chief Mrs. Kate Onyechere, the former women leader of Ohaneze Igbo, Lagos State, and Chief Oliver Akubeze, also the former president of Ohaneze Igbo, Lagos State. Let's hear from these people. We'll be back.
In everything that comes to across a man is to make you to digress and also understand the life and who holds the life. And that's where I channel it, just to make it very simple, that God holds the life. And whatever we find out, to make sure that we'll be able to take him away from the act is not our own making. But God has showed us what we're supposed to show us. So it's left to us to learn something from what is going on, that it has never happened since I was born. That the whole world will shut down. Business, nobody talk about how many barrels of oil that going from Saudi Arabia to America, the one that are going from Iran to America, the terrorism, how do we exchange rates, nobody talk about anything now. Has to tell you that God holds all the power. And the only way he can stop is the directive of God. This sickness, I said, is a directive of God for people to understand the differences between man and God. I think it is favor of God by giving us such leadership of Babajide Sanwo-Olu. I have never seen someone I can compare with him. Well, I don't know how to express my gratitude to what he have done. He gave me the venue, the area we go, and go to the warehouse, the Lagos State warehouse at Ikeja. And he tell me, choose what you want, take as much as you think is okay, and then make sure the 3 trucks are filled up. And that's exactly what I did. We were just picking and making sure that the trucks, 3 big trucks, are filled up. When they filled up, what we do again? We move. And he gave me also a tag. He said that they gave me the direction to give me a tag up to 57 local governments. And all the local government, we have tag on the sticker tag to be able to dispatch it to their people. So these are the things I've never seen from any leader that has such position. So I think talking about Sanwo-Olu, we can start talking about Sanwo-Olu from now till tomorrow, and we'll not finish about the little thing they have done in the dispensation.
Anọdụ n'ụlọ shut down n'okwu bekee wụ nọrọ n'ụlọ. Onye ọbụla asị nke a na-ekpo dịka ekpo n'ihu kwuru ya ka a na-agba n'aka gbara ya. Biko onye ọbụla na-akwa aka ịhụ mbụ na-apụta edore mmiri n'ezi. Onye ọbụla kwacha isi aka ya. Ị na-aga kwụkwa ịkwa aka, ị na-aba ebe ọzọ ịkwa aka wụ ndụ ya na-adị. Kama na asị m agọrọ m na ọha ndị Igbo COVID-19 agaghị ahụ anyị. Ọ gaghị ahụ ndị Igbo, ọ gaghị ahụ anyị ụmụ anyị ma ndị ikwu anyị na ibe anyị nọ n'akụkụ ụwa nke niile. Iwe Chineke a biko ya gbada n'ebe anyị nọ. Ndewo. Ihe mere m ji wee kwuo otu ahụ bụ na site n'oge Nzewi chịrị tupu anyị nwa abata ebe nke mmaka mkpọrọ, enwetụbeghị onye mere ihe anyị na-ahụ ugbu a n'Ohaneze. Anọkata prezident abịa n'ụlọ bịa nete onye ahụ adịghị ya na ndị ezekutiv. Anyị ahụtụbeghị otu ahụ. Anyị nwa na-agakwa mgbe ahụ na-enete, kama anyị anaghị enye ego, anyị anaghị enye rice n'ihi anyị ejighị kọnekshọn ya. Ịghọtara? Kama na nke a sị, o gọvanọ Sanwo-Olu ọ ga-adịrị ya na mma. Gọvanọ Sanwo-Olu anaghị eme nkewa. Ọ kpọkọtakwara Igbo kene. Kama onye ka o ji na-arụ ọrụ ahụ. onye ka o ji na-arụ ọrụ a Chief Solomon Ogbonna ọ ga-adịrị ya na mma so Agụene ama m ka m ga-esi akọwa ya azụ nekwe ndị Igbo na Lagos steeti
obodo Naijiria ma tụmadụ Lagos ugbu a maka coronavirus mụnwa hụtara ya n'ụdị na ọ bụ ọdịmma nke anyị nwa ọ bụghị maka ọdịmma nke gọọmenti ọdịmma nke anyị nwa maka na anyị nọrọ n'ụlọ dịka otu esi kwuo na ya bụ ọrịa bụ obiri n'aja ọcha anyị nọrọ n'ụlọ anyị agaghị enwe mmekọta wit ndị ya bụ ọrịa na-arịa maka ọrịa ahụ inwe mmekọ wit ndị ọ na-arịa ya efere gị ọ na-efe efe ya mfee gị ga-efe ikwe ndị ụlọ gị ọrịa akpanụ a na-ekwu dịka a na-ahụta ya dịka na ọbịa bụ ọkacha na ọrịa niile pandemics niile ya mee na ọwa achọbụghị ya nwa na 165 AD enwere ọrịa obiri n'aja ọcha bịakwara mgbe ahụ ọrịa ahụ akpọrọ ya Antonine Plague ihe o gburu mgbe ahụ 5 million people mgbe m na-ekwu bụ AD 165 mgbe nke ahụ rịachara ya ehiche ka Jizọs Kraịst ọ gaghị bịakwa mgbe ahụ m ga-ekwere ya msef de na anọdụ awa na-abịa nke ahụ a na-akpọ ya Justinian Plague mgbe ahụ ọ bịara na AD 541 ya arịa ruo AD 542 bịa kwụsị ihe o gburu mgbe ahụ bụ 25 million people then anọkwana ya abịazi nke kacha aka a na-akpọ Black Death bịara na 1346 ya dọtịa kwụsị na 1353 ihe o gburu mgbe ahụ bụ 200 million people n'ụwa between 100 to 200 million people ka o gburu nke ihe ji na-akọrọ HIV abịa dọtizie kpa ike ọkpara na 205 ruo 2012 gbuo close to 36 million. Now coronavirus eburuzie oche na December 2019 batazie na-ebuzi nke ọ na-ebu ile anya from ihe m gwara gị now ma ihe niile ma ndị ochie echi ma ndị ochi gị orubeghị 20 million orubeghị 10 so to say iyi ka ọ bụ na ụdị ihe adịtụbeghị n'ụwa before.
All right, coming out from there also is the Igbo of Ajao Estate as Outrage Nwajagu. We met with him and he too have something to say.
Before the world was created, it has been written in the Bible that sometimes, some years, something like this will happen. The only problem that some of our people doesn't read the Bible. So as it comes up now, I don't think you see, it should be a new thing to us. We can only ask for God's intervention. I think I'm one of those kings that's supporting the federal government of my own country. Also supporting the entire world that said stay at home so that the sickness will not spread to those who have never contaminated with the virus. I am supporting the government of Lagos State, Samolu, in what he's doing. And I think Lagos State are capable to handle the situation as they are doing it now. So people must always stay patient because life is important. It is when you are alive, you talk of food, you talk of business, you talk of wealth, which I'm sure the government of Nigeria are doing something about it. The government of Lagos State are working about it. And that's why I'm supporting it. People should stay patient to make sure that the government got exactly what they want. To sanitize your hands is very necessary. That is part of waging the diseases. You must sanitize your family, yourself, 24 hours. You must follow exactly the instruction how they ask you to treat the sickness to go. People must be always neat. and the wash and close businesses, and don't go closer to each other. Avoid going to closer to each other. Avoid having handshake with people. You must follow instruction how disease will went away, because we start hearing that when the sickness come around and they could not see any human being, it will die under 24 hours. Okay. That the sickness live with human being. So that is why they are trying to ask people to stay at home.
All right, coming out from there is Eze Dr. Alex Eze Igbo of Oyo State. He also has something to say.
I have come here to speak on this COVID-19 that is rampaging the whole place, the whole world. And I want to encourage my people in Igbo and everybody to please try to take to government's directive and the health officials' directive towards waging the war against this pandemic. Our life matters so much, and life has no duplicate. So everybody must all join hands together to make sure that we win this battle against this evil called coronavirus. We know that our God will see us through. So I am appealing to everybody to please keep to government's directives, and the government should also hasten their efforts in making sure that palliative measures sprays all over the country to reach all and sundry Nigerians. Yes, so that everybody will be safe and we are alive to see the end of this evil called coronavirus. We shall get over it by the special grace of God.
Yes, that is it on the program. I am Igbo Ngoka. You can reach me on 081-8383-5864. We can talk business, anything you want to do. Just reach me. Make sure you are staying on the side of the Lord. God bless you.